today we're getting away from the holiday cookies and cakes and pies and doing a healthy acai
So I put a can of pineapples at the bottom and like a watermelon slushie where I just pureed watermelon and froze it. So that's that slushie there. I added a couple of strawberries, some blueberries, and then I'm adding the juice of the pineapple from the can in here just to give it some liquid, and then I'm going to blend it together. Now we got to make sure that the bottom of these containers are closed. As you see, it's open. I did that. And then there's a maximum fill line. So here is what it looks like. I'm going to pour that into the maximum fill line right there. Whoop. Do the same with the second one. Whoop. There we go. Take these and put them flat into the freezer, and same with this one. Put them in the freezer like that. It says it needs to be frozen flat, so put that in there. I'm gonna waste it, so I'm going to make the rest just a smoothie. I'll drink that as a smoothie, and tomorrow I'll have it as a soft serve ice cream. Voila.
Okay, it's the next day and we're going to soften the mixture from yesterday so that we can make a nice acai bowl. Yeah, that looks really good. That's the texture we needed. We're going to grab a bowl from the cabinets and a spoon, and then we're going to start layering our and here we have all of our toppings. First, we're going to put the mixture in a bowl. And we're going to smooth it out and then add our toppings. So we're going to start with some strawberries. We're going to line that up first. And then we're going to add some blueberries. Next, we're going to add some granola. Then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of the shredded coconut. And voila, we've got our acai bowl. Now remember, these are just some of the toppings that I use and I would recommend, but you're going to put your favorite toppings on there. You can also drizzle a little bit of honey or a little bit of chocolate on top, whatever works for you. This is definitely a healthier version than having ice cream. So it's more of like a sorbet, like I said, an acai bowl. Healthy, lower in calories, great in fiber, antioxidants. You can add chia seeds to it as well. And it's very tasty. Let me know if you decide to try this recipe. I'd love to hear your feedback and what toppings you added to yours. If you enjoyed this recipe, check out my Cooking with Journey to 50 Plus playlist for more healthy ideas.